While backpacking along the Salmon River in Oregon, I stopped along a waterfall to photograph it, to take some video, and placed my iPhone on a tripod above the waterfall, and then went to place my audio recorder closer to the water. The mini tripod that held my iPhone was on a log with no bark, which was apparently too slippery. One of the truly surprising things about this event is that the iPhone actually landed with the video recorder facing up, so you can actually see me reaching down to grab the iPhone out of the water. Surprisingly enough, my iPhone continues to work, with the exception that the earbuds no longer work as a microphone.